Today, I'll walk you through exactly how to create a segment in MailerLite so you can send the right message to the right people every single time. If you find this helpful, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss more MailerLite tutorials. And let's get right into it. First, head over to the subscribers page. You'll find it in the left sidebar menu. It's usually one of the first options you'll see listed. This is the hub for everything related to your contacts, and you'll come back here often as your list grows. Once you're on the subscribers page, look for the Segments tab in the main navigation along the top. Click that to switch into the Segments view. Segments are essentially smart filters. They let MailerLite automatically group your contacts based on rules you define, so your lists stay accurate without any manual sorting. Now click Create Segment in the top right corner of the screen. A prompt will appear asking you to name your new segment. Give it something clear and descriptive, a name that tells you at a glance exactly who belongs in this group. Once you're happy with it, click Create to move forward. This is where things get powerful. You'll now define the conditions that determine who qualifies for your segment. For example, you might set a condition like email is opened in the last 90 days to isolate your most engaged subscribers, or country is Philippines if you want to target a specific geographic audience. Your conditions are the intelligence behind the segment, so think through exactly who you're trying to reach. If you need more precision, you can stack multiple conditions together. Use AND logic when a contact must meet every single rule to qualify. This tightens your group. Use OR logic when you want to cast a wider net and include anyone who meets at least one condition. Knowing when to use each one gives you sharp, deliberate control over who sees your campaigns. Once your conditions are in place and you're satisfied with the scope, click Save Changes. MailerLite will process your rules and populate the segment automatically from your existing subscriber base. And it keeps updating on its own as new contacts arrive. And that's it. You've just created a segment in MailerLite. You now have a targeted dynamic group ready to receive your most relevant campaigns. Segmentation is one of the highest impact habits in email marketing, and you've built that foundation today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.